Hi, I'm Harshvardhan.
And I'm Subha.
In the first part of this video, we will calculate your current immunity score. You'll actually make your very own immunity scorecard.
And in the second part of this video, we will share with you 3 simple steps to increase your immunity instantly.
Imagine there are two dustbins, one absolutely clean and the other full of waste. Which one do you think will attract more mosquitoes? The one with the waste, right? This is exactly what happens inside your body. When you eat the wrong food or when you keep eating all the time, your body gets dirty from inside. And a dirty body will automatically attract germs. On the other hand, if your body is clean, if you don't have waste stuck inside you, your immunity will automatically be very high. Remember, a highly clean body is a highly immune body. Now you may be thinking, how will I know if my body is clean or not? Whether my immunity is strong or not? Our scriptures have given very clear signs of good immunity. Deh sarvatra cha usnasya samata laghavam sukham shud tikshna gar nidra cha mansopi prasannata sharira karma samarthyam analasya cha karmasu swata svedo gamkale swasya lakshanatihi. This Sanskrit verse has given us 8 clear signs of good immunity. While we go through each of them, we want you to create your scorecard. In the end, you will know exactly what your immunity score is. The first sign of good immunity: daily bowel movement. You should have at least one bowel movement every day without taking any laxatives or powders. Ideally, your stomach should get cleared right after you wake up. If you're not having a daily bowel movement, it means that the waste which was meant to leave your body is now building up inside. And as we had understood earlier, a dirty body will automatically attract more germs from outside. So if you're having a daily bowel movement, you can tick the first sign. Second sign, no excess weight. If you're having a daily bowel movement, your weight will automatically be normal. When your bowels do not get emptied properly, your weight will tend to increase. Now, whether you have excess weight or not, you don't need us to tell you. Those who have it very well know they do. Third sign, clear skin. Your skin is a reflection of what's happening inside your body. When do we get acne, spots, rashes? When our blood inside is not clean. When there is waste stuck inside our blood. If your skin is clean and clear, you can mark a tick along this sign. So we hope you are making your scorecard. We are just 5 signs away from your final score. Please watch this video till the very end because soon we will share with you 3 simple steps to increase your immunity. Moving on to the fourth sign, absence of laziness. If you feel lazy after waking up in the morning or feel sleepy even during the day, it means that this sign is not being met. When do we feel lazy? When our body is not clean from inside, when there's waste weighing us down. So if you're energetic throughout the day, bustling with energy from morning till night, you can surely take this sign. Fifth sign, experiencing a strong sense of hunger. Some of us don't ever experience strong hunger. Our stomach always feels full. What does that mean? It means that our previous meal is still sitting inside and is not digested properly. If you have good immunity, you will naturally feel a strong sense of hunger once or twice a day. Sixth sign, experiencing deep sleep. If you keep waking up in the middle of the night or if you take time to fall asleep, it means that this sign is not being met. How will you know if you have deep sleep? If you sleep at night and wake up directly in the morning and you fall asleep within 5 minutes of getting into bed, you know you're getting deep sleep. Seventh sign, no pain in the body. You should not feel any pain anywhere in the body. Sometimes the back is hurting, sometimes the head is hurting. This should not be the case. No part of your body should call out for your attention. The eighth and final sign of good immunity, experiencing positive thoughts. Think for yourself. For most of the day, are you happy or stressed? If you're tensed throughout the day, or you get angry at the smallest of things, it means that you're not meeting this sign yet. If our body is dirty from inside, how can we expect our thoughts to be clean? So these are the 8 signs of good immunity. Now, please total your immunity score. Tell us in the comments below what your score is and which signs you are not currently meeting. so that we can make a video on that particular one. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now, no matter what your score is, 1, 3, 5, 7 or even 0, in the next part of this video, we will share 3 steps to make sure your score reaches 8.
We usually think, just give me a simple tonic, a drink or a pill to increase my immunity. But I can't change my habits, sorry, I can't leave my burgers. We would like to tell you, this is not possible. Immunity is not something that can be swallowed in a pill or a drink. Immunity is the result of what you eat and how you live. So come, let's move to our first step. Eat your dinner before 6 p.m. From 6 p.m. till 10 a.m. the next morning, consume no solid food. After 6 p.m., you may take water, and before 10 a.m., you may take any fresh vegetable juice. Green juice, cucumber juice, celery juice, ashgard juice, fresh coconut water. But what you cannot take between 6 and 10 is tea, coffee, milk, soup, fruit or fruit juice. At any given time, either your body can be in digestion mode or in cleaning mode. Imagine you're cleaning your house. You're emptying the trash bins, you're sweeping the floor, you're wiping the counters. You're in the middle of your cleaning when suddenly the bell rings and you find that a guest has just come in. Now what will you do? Will you continue cleaning the house or will you attend to the guest? Of course, you have to attend to the guest. After some time, your guest goes and you're just getting ready to start cleaning again. But right when you pick up your broom, another guest comes in. Again, you leave your broom and attend to the guest. After some time, the second guest also goes and you're just getting ready to clean again. But once again, you hear the bell ring. Now, what will happen if morning till night guests just keep coming in, one after the other? You will not get a chance to clean the house. Simultaneously, your house will keep getting more and more dirty. As it becomes dirty, it is bound to attract insects, germs, and all sorts of nasty things. This is exactly what happens inside your body. Your body is constantly trying to clean itself, get rid of toxins, get rid of unwanted waste or germs. Suddenly, some food comes in. So your body has to now stop cleaning and start digesting. Our problem is that we're always eating. From morning until night, we keep eating. And so our body is always digesting, never getting a chance to clean. When you don't give your body time to clean, more and more toxins, waste keeps getting stuck inside. And if your body is dirty from inside, it will automatically be home to germs. So, if you want your body to do a little cleaning every day, simply eat your dinner before 6 p.m. If your dinner is light, it will get digested within 5 to 6 hours. As soon as digestion is over, your body will enter cleaning mode. So the next 10 hours will be your cleaning hours. During your cleaning hours, your body will throw out any waste sitting inside. Clean your arteries, your organs, clean your intestines, and remove any germs that may have entered your body. Let's move on to our second step to boost immunity. Eat only fruit for breakfast. When you break your fast at 10 in the morning, eat any fruit available to you. Have your favorite fruit. It's best to eat only one fruit at a time. But if that is not sufficient, you can have 2-3 fruits together as well. But what you should not have is toast, cereal, eggs, sausage, pancakes, waffles, croissants, idli, dosa, tea or coffee. Fruits are very easy to digest. It only takes 3 hours on average to digest them. On the other hand, grains like breads and cereals take 18 hours to digest. Fruits are also very cleansing in nature. Because they are full of water, they don't stick inside your body. In fact, as they pass through your intestines, they remove the waste stuck inside. On the other hand, grains have no water and therefore they take much longer to digest. Just try following these steps for a week. Eat your dinner before 6 pm and eat only fruit for breakfast. After 7 days, check your immunity score again. You will notice how each sign will start to meet one by one. If you have any excess weight, it will automatically start to reduce. Your skin will become brighter, clearer. When you wake up in the morning, you'll be bustling with energy. There will be no laziness. You'll start to sleep better, much deeper. All aches and pains will go away, and you will experience an abundance of happiness and mental clarity. Try it for yourself. One more thing, don't do this alone. Get your family to do this with you. Share with them the benefits of doing this. When you do it together, it becomes much easier. If you want to learn the science of increasing immunity in much more detail, please attend our next online workshop. You will find its details in the description below this video. Alright, let's move on to our third step. Eat only 1 grain meal a day. This third step is an advanced level step. If you're not yet ready for it, you can simply start with only the first 2 steps and gradually introduce this third step in your life. No problem. So if you eat only 1 grain meal a day, your food plan will look something like this. In the morning, before breakfast, have a glass of fresh vegetable juice. Or you can have coconut water, only if you find it fresh. 2 hours later, have your breakfast. At around 10 am, you can have a plate full of any fruit. Then, have your lunch at around 1 pm. For this, you can have your grain meal. You can have any grain you like, rice, quinoa or pulses. Just make sure to combine it with 3 to 4 times more vegetables. Adding vegetables enables your grains to digest much faster. For your dinner, before 6 pm, have a salad or a soup. If you're eating grains for lunch, don't have them again for dinner. If you want, you can even swap this. You can have your grain meal in the evening and your soup or salad meal in the afternoon.
Please share this video with all those who you care about so they too can secure their immunity.
Please subscribe to this channel so that you stay updated about all our future videos.
Thank you so much for being with us. We will see you soon.